On a recent visit to New York, our First Lady managed to elude the watchful eye of her Secret Service escort for a few hours and found herself on the Lexington Avenue Local. Oh, how fun. This is certainly more picturesque than Air Force One. I just can't wait to tell Daddy about this. It's like Disneyland. Kind of reminds me of the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. What a town. I love New York. Noticing the map on the wall, Nancy decided to plot her route. Oh, this can't be true. This train actually stops at Bloomingdale's? Fabulous! I really should spend more time here. Taking a seat next to a man with a newspaper, Nancy peeked over his shoulder for a glimpse of the headlines. Now, isn't that adorable? Tot found clean in bathtub. As he opened the newspaper, Nancy spotted a story about herself. Well, would you look at that? How sweet of them to write about my donation. I just love this ride. Gee, I wonder if this train goes to Greenwich Village. I could drop in on Ron Jr. and Doria. Then suddenly...
Oh, my God, a chain snatcher.
Nancy could hardly believe it, and no Secret Service around. What could she do? Think quickly, Nancy. Then suddenly she remembered something. She searched her handbag. I know it's here somewhere. What a lucky break. She remembered to pack it. Her Bloomingdale's credit card. Then, slashing it like a cross to a vampire, Nancy defiantly yelled at her attacker, "Hands off, buddy. This is my stop." She made a dash for the door as the train pulled into the 59th Street station, but turned back for a final word. You know, a woman is like a tea bag. You don't know her strength until she's in hot water. Have a nice day now. Bye.